Assalamualaikum and greetings to all. I am Nurul Amni binti Musa with matric number AW220052. The purpose of me recording this video is because I was given an assignment to explain about the poster that I have done with my teammates. The four of us have unanimously choose thesis 1 for this assignment. This thesis is entitled Physicochemical Properties and Antibacterial Activity of Conventionally Fermented Pineapple Peel. In this video, I will explain about the introduction to the thesis title that has been chosen, the objective to be achieved, the method used, the result and the discussion, and the last part is the conclusion. Without further ado, let's move on to the introduction part. So basically, this thesis discussed about Ananas commusus, or better known by the name of pineapple fruit. This fruit is part of the Bromeliaceae family, which is widely found in tropical countries such as Hawaii, South Africa, also in our country, Malaysia. This study comes about when awareness was born about the waste of the pineapple skin, which has a negative impact on the environment due to its high level of carbohydrate. In fact, it has characteristics that are very suitable for making vinegar. There are two types of pineapple that has been used in this study, which are N36 and Josephine. The significance of this thesis is to consider the psychochemical properties and evaluate antibacterial activity of conventionally refined pineapple skin. It also provides additional data to explore the health benefits of tropical fruit vinegar. Now, let's look at the objective of this thesis. There are three objectives to be achieved, which is first to produce from two different types of pineapple skin. The second is to determine the physical and chemical properties of the fermented pineapple peel. And the third, which is the last, is to assess antibacterial activity and fermented pineapple peel extract, again, E. coli and S. aureus bacteria by using filter paper disc diffusion technique. In carrying out this study, there are 5 main methods used. I will explain the method clearly, one by one. The first is sample preparation. There are two methods, which are sample collection and fermentation. The pineapples obtained from Parit Tengah Rengit were peeled using a knife. The sample of this study was collected periodically for a month. Fermentation is a process that occurs when chemical reaction takes place on sugar and turns it into acid, gas, and alcohol. The second method is a physical test. This method is carried out to observe color change and turbidity. The importance of measuring the turbidity of the liquid is because the quality of the vinegar is affected by the turbidity of the vinegar. For the color change test was to know the sugar and carotenoid content. Next, the third method is chemical test, where there are three things that become parameter, which are pH, sugar content, and organic acids. The fourth method is preparation of media and algae plates, and the last method was antibacterial paper disc diffusion assay. Let's move forward to the result and discussion part for this thesis. For the physical test that is dry weight, we can see on the graph that Josephine has a relatively dry texture compared to the N36, but it contains more moisture than N36. The more higher the water content, the more sweeter the food will be. The next graph is the result of the chemical test in pH. The graph is shown that they are decreased in the pH value of both pineapple in the second week, but it increased again in the third and fourth week. For your information, sample will become alkane without the sugar and will become acidic with the presence of the sugar. So in this result, N36 has lower pH, which is acidic than Josephine in week 4. Thus, Josephine is more sweeter than N36. We are almost at the end of the video, where we have now reached the last part, which is the conclusion part. So in this thesis, we can conclude that pineapple ring type N36 and Josephine are able to produce vinegar. The fermentation process results in change in the physical and chemical characteristic of the pineapple skin. Furthermore, fermented pineapple skin has been found to reduce the growth of S. aureus and E. coli. We are at the end of the video. Before I end this video, I hope you learned something and gain a new knowledge about what I have shared in this video. That's all from me. Thank you and bye.